Hey guys, this is Gurneet Singh from Geeky Pajis, and this time we are going to show you how to make an e-commerce website using WordPress. So let's get started. So this would be your default website that you will get using WordPress. Okay, and the first thing you have to do is install a plugin for e-commerce, that is Woocommerce. So in the search tab, search for Woocommerce. After that, you have to select this first one only. The rest one are not proper. So you have to install this. It will take you around 5 to 10 minutes to get installed. So after installing it, activate so it would ask you to set up. So you have to enter where is your store based, the country, all the addresses you have to enter, the city, state, the pin code, and the currency you are going to accept payments for. So we are in India, so our currency would be INR, and also you have to select which type of products you are going to sell. Like you can sell both physical and digital, or only physical or only digital. After that, click on Let's Go. Next is you have to set up your payment method, like PayPal, or offline payments are also available like check payments, bank transfer, cash on delivery. For the time being, we are selecting cash on delivery and not PayPal. Then after that, you have to select the shipping method, like you are going to charge any shipping price for the customers, or you are going to give it for free. And also you have to decide whether it is in kilograms or grams for the products, and the length and size also. Next up is the theme, but we are not going to select these themes. We are going to select another themes that we are showing it further in this video. After this, you can select Jetpack, or no, that's on you. Jetpack will just show you how your website is doing, the speed and all, and this is that you are ready to start selling. So we have not selected any theme, so it's like the default one. And after that, we're going into the appearances and theme. So we are going to select a custom theme for our website. In the appearance tab, you can select themes and search for any theme and download that theme, or also you can search on the internet for other themes like WordPress free themes that we have provided. For these, we have provided the link in the description below. See, this is installing the theme, and it depends on the internet speed. It hardly takes around 2 to 5 minutes. Then reload your website. See, this is the basic theme. Now we haven't added any products, so it is showing like this. See, you can go in the settings and customize your theme accordingly. This will show you which page will pop up when you open your website first. So it will pop up that shop, the website name /shop, that will show all your products that are there in your inventory. You can select coupons, add coupons for your customers, and give them. So this is all your shop page, like cart, checkout, my section, my account, everything. Here you can view your products, all products. You can add them there. See, this is a website, store.closetshop.in/shop. So it will open the default page, shop, and it will have all the products. Since we haven't added any products, it is not showing anything. This video is sponsored by Closet Shop, one-stop shop for all your apparel needs. You can use code GB20 to avail flat 20% discount on all the product ranges. Go check out their products and happy shopping. Peace.